Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, we're going to be focusing on the VidIQ thumbnail creation tool. And once you're logged into VidIQ, all you got to do is scroll down and you'll see this little blue button. Go ahead and click it. And this is going to go ahead and allow you to make a thumbnail within just a few seconds. And on YouTube, the thumbnail is very important. So if you guys are just starting out, this is a much better. If you're just starting out, this thumbnail creation tool is much better than just letting YouTube decide what the thumbnail should be. And you're going to get better traction on your video. And to make this work, all you got to do, and to make the thumbnail creation tool work, all you got to do is scroll to the part of the video that shows the object that you want to go ahead and showcase in your video. Once you find that, go ahead and hit next. And you can come in here and add some text. So this is really easy. So you can come in here, maybe type the name of the product. And now you got everything on the screen. You can go ahead and add shapes, some images. You can have a template. I just normally like the text better here. And you can go ahead and make it bigger. Change the font color to make it really stand out. Change the font size. And you could also give it a border, which will make the text pop out even more. And this is really nice. All you got to do is hit next. And automatically the thumbnail is created for you, and it creates it in different formats. If you're starting out, I really think this is a great tool, and all you need to do now is reload the same page and your thumbnail will appear right there. So we created a thumbnail within 2 minutes and you are done. If you guys want to go ahead and up your YouTube game even further, you can check out my video in the description box below on using Canva. And Canva has a very simple platform. There's a lot of great images there, and you can share that account with up to 6 team members for free, which is really great. So check that out. I did want to keep this video nice and short. Thanks again. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below. Make it a great day.